We all love to witness the stylish look and feel of shiny cars, the power and performance of heavy commercial vehicles and tractors. But they all would be nothing but just fancy metal boxes if not for the cylinder liners and sleeves. The robust and resilient components that ensure your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. J Metal, the perfect fit for your automotive needs. With an invaluable experience of more than 4 decades in the automobile components industry, the visionary leaders founded J Metal in 2013 at Rajkot, the industrial hub of Gujarat. Spanned over a massive land area of 260,000 square feet, J Metal is an ISO 9001, 2015 and IATF 16949, 2016 certified organization engaged in the manufacturing and exporting of innovative and superior quality cylinder liners and sleeves. J Metal's extensive product portfolio includes 1,000+ models of cylinder liners and sleeves, catering to various industry segments such as automotive, commercials, agriculture, and generators. We manufacture both wet and dry cylinder liners and sleeves and also customize them to precisely meet the distinctive requirements of our clients. These products may seem small, but their impact on engine efficiency and longevity is truly remarkable. Now let us take you on the behind-the-scenes journey of manufacturing these amazing products in a massive state-of-the-art production facility that has an annual production capacity of 1.5 million cylinder liners and sleeves. At J Metal, we are equipped with the leading-edge technology and follow the best-in-industry practices. First, we procure top-notch quality raw materials and meticulously inspect them. Then the production process begins with melting. A foundry serves as the backbone of our operations. With 5 induction furnaces, we have managed to achieve a remarkable monthly melting capacity of 850 tons. The next stage is pouring. The centrifugal casting process begins with molten metal being poured into a mold. At this time, the temperature and RPM of the centrifugal die are carefully regulated. The castings are tested in a metallurgical laboratory that has the latest spectrometer, hardness tester, and metallurgical microscope. Now the castings are sent to the huge machining area, which is equipped with the most cutting-edge machines. It has a wide variety of CNC machines, VTL machines, cylindrical grinding machines, centerless grinding machines, plateau honing machines with air sizing. These machines offer the utmost precision and flawlessness to the product. We also have a dedicated heat treatment facility and phosphating facility in-house to ensure absolute control over the quality and timely delivery of the products. Our experienced quality control professionals use a variety of the latest testing instruments such as contracer, digital height gauge, surface roughness tester, roundness tester, hatch angle measurement, and follow a rigorous quality assurance process at each level of production to make sure that every product of ours is on par with the reputation we have earned for ourselves. In the end, the products are sent to a large packaging area where they are thoroughly cleaned using an ultrasonic cleaning machine, packed with meticulousness, and then safely stored in an organized way in our storage area. Whether it's enhancing quality, maximizing efficiency, or elevating safety standards, we are always one step ahead. For more than 350 employees who work at J Metal, this isn't just a job, it's a calling, a passion that fuels our determination to be the best in the business. As our products make their way into vehicles around the world, they become more than just components. They become a symbol of innovation and reliability. We are a globally preferred OEM and aftermarket. We have not only captured the regions of the Indian market, but also reigned supreme in international markets by exporting to more than 25 countries worldwide. Our mission is simple, yet profound: to go further than the boundaries of what's possible and redefine excellence in the world of cylinder liners and sleeves. We are J Metal, defined by quality, powered by performance.